welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. We are talking about Generation and the legacy. Guys, I know that you were all excited when Gaddafi came back to Generations, but it seems as if he is not serving the purpose. He came back with a Nigerian wife who is here for revenge. Her list include Ayanda, Gaddafi, and Nkaba, the minister. Now she even wants Ayanda's daughter, Nonhle. It is unfortunate that Gaddafi, guys, has no idea that he's being used by Obi. After everything, he will also be a sacrifice. This information was revealed by Tidi, portrayed by Letoya to TV Plus magazine. Guys, we all know that Tidi loves Gaddafi dearly and she will do anything in her power to protect him. She recently hired Lucy to investigate Obi, and she found out that Obi was married twice and both her husband died of a liver problem. I really feel sorry, guys, for Gaddafi, although he is under the spell, but fans on social media believe that he will never allow Obi to kill his brother Dawu's child Nonhle, as Obi regard Nonhle as a suitable sacrifice. Guys, this is all I have for today. Please comment below and share your feeling about Obi and the Gaddafi storyline. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.